none of you probably have ever seen a picture of my mum and dad or anything, but my mum and dad now are, my dad's 80, just let me work it out. He's 82 and my mother's 77, and they're not happy. They're not content. They're not happy with life. They have every modern convenience, probably that all of you have, and still not content. They are scared witless of their death. They're terrified of dying. They are doing everything they possibly can to not die. My mother's had cancer in 3 different locations of her body. She gets it ripped out every time. She is petrified of dying. She keeps saying to me whenever I call her, which isn't that often, but whenever I call her, it's like, I just want to live another year. There was a period just a year or so ago, she couldn't walk. She couldn't go outside. She had to have carers come in to care for her. She was so sick and ill. She was on death's door. She had a heart condition while at the same time having cancer. And she just wanted to live another year. Because she doesn't believe in a spirit world. She doesn't believe that when you die, you're not dead. Right? Her religion teaches her that when you die, you're dead as a doornail. That's what the religion teaches her, and that's what she believes. Right? And so she's doing everything she possibly can just to live eke out another few minutes of life. She's very, very worried about about my brother, and has a big, very damaging relationship with him, and very concerned about what's happening in his life, and I won't get into that, but she's so distressed all the time. And do you think she ever cries? She hasn't learnt humility. She can't even let herself cry. Imagine the pain she's in. She's in an immense amount of pain. And she still can't cry. Still can't feel. My father, much the same. He's 82. He's had prostate cancer, had all that removed. He's had so many sicknesses and accidents, particularly accidents. My father is accident prone. Because he's just reckless with his body, he still rides a 900cc motorcycle at 82 years of age, and of course has a lot of struggle with it. So he's still trying to live his life of joy. My dad, but very unhappy, very grumpy all the time. It's like it's funny. We did visit there. Was it 12 months ago?
Yeah, 12 months ago. Yeah.
Yeah, and he's just so grumpy all the time. As soon as my dad walks out the door as well, my mum starts talking about him. She's so upset. And then when he walks back in the door, she's smiling again. They've been together for 50... They were married when my mother was 16.
60 years, it must be, baby. It was 61.
Yeah. 61 years they've been married.
More, 60.
62 years. Yeah.
No, sorry, 62.
62 years, yeah. They got married because... pregnant with me, right? But 62 years in that unhappy state. And I look at them and go, you don't need to be this unhappy. You don't even need to be here. You know what I mean? The spirit world is there's so much more freedom. Just even when you're in such a terrible state, there's more freedom than that. So yeah, and again, what I see, and is exactly what I saw with my first century parents, your belief systems control to a large extent how much fear you have, and therefore control to a large extent how you use your life. Yeah.